Just see your camera's on. Sorry.
Oh, you're fine. Tornado emergency. Where they shoot us? I don't know where, but not here.
Extreme alert. Tornado warning in this area. Take shelter. Yeah. Yeah, we know, buddy. We saw it. You want to snap a couple really quickly before it dissipates? That'd be shitty if it dissipates. I mean, really. We jump out in the middle of the road, pound off a bunch of pictures.
You can sit on the ground spinning a bird.
I know. Let's go closer. We got time. Awesome, man.
Let's get some pictures real quick.
Right now, before we get these trees. Just get around the second post. Right here, right now. Right, we cleared the second post. Good. Perfect. It looks like it dissipated. It's got narrower than before. Let me pop another one. You ready? Let's pop another couple. Wait, let's go, man. Thank you, Jeremy. Nice one. We're just too far away still. Either we're too far away, or yeah, we're too far away because the rain. It's, you know, there's some rain out there, so the rain is reducing our visibility, right, Jeremy?
Yeah.
But still, we're good.
I mean, look on the radar though. Like, how are we? Oh, look at how this hook in the south of us.
We'll get that baby too. We'll get them all. We'll get them all.
I want to know where that tornado emergency is.
Oh, just maybe because we're so close.
Well, I mean, it's tornado emergency is something that means the tornado's going through town. Or it's going to hit a town. So I wonder where that's for. In Oklahoma, Grady and McLean County, so wherever that is. The thing with this is it looks like this road ends.
Yeah, maybe up there. Well, I guess some pictures there. I think the damn thing's rolling up. Bottom.
Look at its curling cue on the side there. It looks like it's curling up.
Huge stop right here. Okay, ready?
Just a second, get past this.
The sign, yeah, get past the sign. It's key. Oh, it just lifted. Oh, darn.
It's coming back down.
Good.
We're close too.
I think stay here because we don't want to go this way. Come into us.
All right, look at that.
Yeah, I'm gonna get her. Unbelievable. We can stop right here.
No, it's
A bit, little bit further, another quarter mile.
I want to make sure it's going north and it's not
Exactly.
turning east.
Absolutely. okay here for just a few minutes. I wouldn't turn your car off though.
Alright, let me get past here. Just a second. Watch the wind.
Yep, no wind.
Careful.
The door's not closed over there.
Mine isn't?
No, mine. I'm still snapping. Okay. How about your door? They said you can get close enough to hear them, Jeremy. We can hear this thing.
Yeah, I could hear it. Oh, it's getting huge.
Oh, it's getting huge. Huge wedge.
Let's go.
Do you want to try to get closer?
Yep. How about this?
You're the man. You're the man. Okay, go, man.
I wonder what. Look at this back here. I wonder if it's going to try to do two again.
A double? I know. I've been watching that thing myself. This is a big tornado. Is this a quarter mile wide?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck yeah. Half mile?
It's getting really big. This is getting a huge tornado. I mean, size-wise. I wonder if this did damage here. We're going to have to watch for. God, when we were so close,
I know.
my video camera was completely fogged up.
When you want to stop and snap.
Look, there's still debris flying. This place got hit.
Want to stop now?
Yeah, just 1 second.
We could get closer.
Yeah. Doesn't look like too severe damage.
No.
I don't think it was really that strong until.
I think the roof of one of his bins is missing. This would be a good shot. Yeah, this would be a good shot. Oh my God, look at it. Not sure?
It's a really strong wind here. Huh? I can hear it roaring.
Oh, absolutely.
I can't even open my door.
Huh?
I can't even open my door. Watch the wind so it doesn't pull the door, Derek.
Yeah, it's all the humidity. You got your air conditioning on?
No.
Put the air conditioning on. That'll suck the humidity out of the
Well,
air.
I mean, I had the vent on in the...
Put the air on, because that'll suck the air out of there, Jeremy.
I think what happened just now, like, it's fine in here. It's used to this temperature. It's just the cold outside.
That's true.
And,
oh, geez, and we got some farmer going 20 miles an hour. Come on.